Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of CPI Trade Media and Big Project Middle East, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the 2023 edition of the Digital Construction Summit. I know that September has been quite a busy month for everyone, so it's great to see so many familiar faces as well as new ones in the audience today. We've a packed agenda and an incredible lineup of speakers through which we hope to unearth valuable insights, address burning questions, and even create some new ones. I've been writing about the potential of digital transformation and technology ever since I joined CPI Trade Media. And while the industry has evolved compared to what it was in 2017, the reality is there are still a variety of basic and complex issues that need to be addressed. As someone that writes about construction and technology, as well as organizes events, I receive dozens of emails every day from a variety of organizations who wish to discuss big data, 3D predictive analysis, waste minimization, modular construction, the Internet of Things, and much more. Looking through all this material, I feel confident in saying that the tools and talent is definitely out there. So my question is, what are we waiting for exactly? I'm fully aware, of course, that there's a variety of hurdles to address, but as I see it, there's no better time than the now to accelerate the pace of change. By fully embracing technology, I reckon that the industry can actually address two issues that are very close to my heart: sustainability and health and safety on project sites. By transforming the way our industry designs, builds, and operates assets with technology, we stand a real chance to reduce our sizable impact on the environment. This being the year of sustainability, of course, I'm sure we've all heard multiple times that our industry actually accounts for 40% of global greenhouse gas emissions. The great news is, we can actually take advantage of existing technology to disrupt age-old processes and approaches, and realize gains ultimately in the journey towards net zero. On the flip side, by deploying drones, data analytics, enhanced video and telecommunications, robotics, as well as several other tools, we have a significant opportunity to also keep people out of harm's way, monitor health, and reduce physical stress on job sites. Of course, technology can also make the industry much more efficient, which will ultimately translate into cost savings and better margins. Now, while I realize that this is an important driver and probably the biggest for the adoption of digital transformation and technology in the sector, I hope that achieving net zero and enhancing health and safety is actually where we focus our efforts. We'll touch on all of this and more as we go through the day. But before I actually do that, I'd like to acknowledge the hard work of my colleagues at CPI Trade Media. This crucial event would not have been possible without the tireless efforts of each and every one of them. Another group that actually played a really critical part in making today's event a reality are our valued sponsors. Thank you to our gold sponsors, KO International Consultants, Procore, RIB Software, and SoftwareOne, our strategic partner, Zoho, our strategic content partner, ALEC, technology partner, Autodesk, technical partner, engineering contracting company, silver sponsor, AECOM, bronze sponsors, AESG and Think Project, and our supporting partner, JLL. I'd also like to recognize the contributions of a select group of individuals who were very gracious with their time, as well as with their contacts books. Thank you to Babette, Ross, Andy, and the Chartered Institute of Building team, including Matt, Allison, and John. Please give them all a round of applause. Thank you. And before I wrap up, I'd actually like to highlight our remaining summits for the year. The Middle East Consultant team, led by Paul and Andy, will actually be hosting the 2023 edition of the Women in Construction ED&I Summit on the 31st of October. Following this, there'll be two more Big Project Middle East events, including the Critical Infrastructure Summit on the 15th of November, as well as the Construction Intel Summit, KSA, on the 29th of November. The KSA event will obviously take place in Riyadh itself. So please do get in touch with myself and our team if you'd like to get involved with all of these events. And with that, I'd like to say thank you and enjoy the day.